Today I will be demonstrating the awesomeness that is Airsoft by hunting my brother in that wall in front of me. However, it's very, very difficult because it's really inaccurate from that far away. And he has a better gun that can shoot me from that far. So, I'm at a very bad disadvantage. Having a second gun always helps, though. Let's hope this works a little better. Wow, I totally just dodged a bullet there, because I'm like a total pro at this. But not pro enough. I need a better weapon. One that's more effective.
I'm taking an assault rifle.
Oh yeah, now I totally have a boss-like weapon that I can shoot him with from far away. Because it like totally shoots lots of BBs at a time. And it's like really fast and stuff. His weapon is also very good. So, oh wait, did I shoot him? Oh, I hope I did. His weapon is totally awesome. I want it. Because it's amazing. I can't tell for sure. Is he moving? I think I got him. I must get a closer look. Hey look, I got him! Yay, me! That didn't work. Stupid dead people making their weapons hard to grab. Oh well.